Few things are more alarming for a homeowner than the threat of severe weather, particularly high winds. Fortunately, manufactured homeowners can rest easy. A 2014 study by the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety proved that properly installed manufactured homes are as safe as site-built homes during a storm, and in some cases perform even better against high winds. Thanks to the federal HUD Code, each manufactured home is now built with safety and strength in mind to withstand wind speeds specific to the house's unique wind zone. For homes in hurricane-prone coastal areas, for example, it means houses are extra fortified. Manufactured homes built for Wind Zone 2 can withstand up to 100-mile-per-hour gusts, while homes in Wind Zone 3 can handle winds at 110 miles per hour. So while you can't stop inclement weather, you'll never doubt that your durable manufactured home will safely weather the storm.